Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we're working on Mike's truck. So, we got him some Christmas gifts. We installed it on Christmas Day. I did not do a video on it because it's so simple, but there's an additional step that we have to take. So a couple days ago I was asked, why do we install resistors on LED blinker lights? So Mike will show us now why. So the car thinks, because it's not getting enough resistance, that the blinker's out on it. So it'll go flash fast like this. That's why you have to put a resistor in it. So that kind of answers that question. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the resistors on this. Oh, look at those lights. Super nice. I'll link these headlights and the blinker bulbs inside the description. We'll go ahead and install those resistors now. Oh yeah, those are the old ones. And I'll put a picture of the before and after in here too. So if you've never installed headlights on these before, it's super simple. You gotta pull these tabs up, boom, boom. Kind of get your hand behind here between the crevice, and this thing will pop right out. For the blinker, the only thing you have to do is you gotta unscrew this. And actually, not that. This right there. Okay, so you unscrew that. Give it a little pressure, it'll pop right out. So that's what we're gonna do right now is unhook both of these. We'll only have to put resistors on the blinkers. So we'll go ahead and start that process now. All right, literally 2 seconds later. We got these off, we put them cloth center down, put over there. These are the clips. This is where we're gonna splice into, put the resistor. Now we need to find a place to mount the resistor to. Well, anyway, we'll find them here in a second. We're gonna look at the wiring diagram for these real quick to find out which is which. This is probably a ground, and this is probably the power, and we'll go ahead and look those up here. Okay, I did all the research and testing for you guys, so you don't have to. Okay, so you have a black, a brown, and a green wire that comes out of here. The resistor needs to go to the green and the black. That's how it needs to be set up. So I will be putting that resistor in and heat shrinking this and all that good stuff. So okay, here we go. Got it all mounted. Mike, let's see the honors before we install it. Okay, blinker. That's what should happen. Okay, turn it off. Now we're looking for a place to mount this resistor so it'll be out of the way. So we're thinking maybe right here. We're not sure if it's going to hit this or not, so we're trying to figure out where to mount it. Either right here. There's not really a lot of room in there unless we extend the battery or the wires. We were thinking right there. I don't know. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna put it, and then we'll tell you guys on the other side. All right. Okay. Heads up. So on the driver's side, it's a green power wire. On this side, it's a white with the black and brown. So you still do the white and the black, and then the green and black on the other side. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. It's time to test. So we'll get that bulb over here. Mark, do the honors to plug it in. Okay, I'll hold it up. Okay, running light's working. Blinker, perfect. Do the other side just in case. Oh, it's working, good. All right, now we're gonna put this together and do a little wide angle shot of it. We're looking good now, so we can go ahead and shut this. This is such a big change, Mike. What do you think?
Yes, love it.
These new headlights. Here's another before and after picture. All right, Mike, let's test the blinkers. Okay, there's the running lights. Let's get a good view on both sides. Okay. Let's do the right blinker. Okay, perfect. Okay, throw some hazards on. Just make sure everything's working. That looks good. Synchronized, good, good. All right, Mike, you happy with it?
Love it. Very happy. Very.
This is probably one of the cleaner of these trucks. Oh, there's the headlights. There we go. Brights. And it's kind of deceiving in here. It is super bright at nighttime, but in my garage it doesn't look the greatest.
Yeah,
Especially since we have a big light out here. So, all right. Well, actually, you know what, Mike? Let's do some video of it at nighttime. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back at nighttime. As you can see, it's super dark out here. We're gonna turn on some lights. Whew. So I was just behind him and it actually looked really good. And these blinkers are bright as hell. You want to hit on the blinker, Mike? It's almost like you can't tell a brand new vehicle between this and this truck now. So anyway, like I said, wanted to show you at nighttime. Until next time, guys, you guys have a good one. Bye.